Hello everyone, my name is Gurjit and I'm the founder of Simran Beyond Beauty. Simran Beyond Beauty or SBB provides organic and natural based services. Here I customize products according to my client's skin and hair care needs. We are introducing a soft launch of our organic and 100% natural based wax. This wax is made of sugar, honey, fresh lemons and my secret herbs. And this wax is totally edible. As all services in my salon, all products that are used for my clients are all totally edible. This is a wax. It's yummy. When you get a jar, do taste it. And I kid you not, clients who do Brazilian hair love eating this by the spoonful. Now, you do not need to heat this wax at all when you're using it. You can actually apply it straight from the jar onto your skin and wax your hair off. The plus factor is when you get my wax with me, is that you will have a private membership login into my website where I will have videos of me doing wax on my legs and my hands, because it is very important that you use the correct technique. With the correct technique, you will have flawless skin. The other jar that I have here is 200 ml. This wax is a little thicker and is more suitable for your intimate area, or if you're going to wax your areas around your chin. For coarse hair, then you should get this jar. For my soft launch, I'm doing a promotion. You will get the bigger jar for $69.99 and the smaller jar with $59.99, and it's free shipping. With this wax, you will also get cotton strips and spatulas, and you'll be fully equipped to do the wax in the comfort of your own home. My wax is not only just edible, but there are many benefits of using my wax. My wax hydrates your skin, moisturizes your skin. You will find your hair regrowth lesser, slower and finer. And this wax is also very safe for clients who have eczema and psoriasis. Do read my clients' reviews both on Facebook and Google. Do note that this wax is only made upon order. Soon, I will also be introducing my famous love treatments by my clients for hair loss issues, dandruff, scalp itchiness, or whatever issues that you have. The product will be customized for you prior being sent and delivered to you. Do keep a lookout for my videos, and I'll be sharing this news with you soon. Have a good day, stay safe, stay home.